Hi guys, welcome to BudgetTECHph. I have the VIVO Y81 and the Samsung J4 Plus with me. And today, we're going to have a comparison on their performance. We will have a speed and battery test. And hopefully, after this, we will have a better idea which phone process apps better and which phone lasts longer. So stay tuned guys and let's all find out. But before that, let me just give you a comparison of their specs. On the speed test, Samsung J4 Plus struggled loading games, while the VIVO Y81i was able to process and load all apps 30 seconds faster than the J4 Plus, which is I think is a significant amount of time. So I have to give this to the VIVO Y81. So let's move on and let's go to the battery test. Okay, on the battery test, Samsung J4 Plus was able to outlast the VIVO Y81i for 49 minutes. The J4 Plus was able to finish the entire Season 1 of Stranger Things and almost half of the first episode of Season 2. Yes, Samsung J4 Plus has a slightly bigger battery, but not that much. Other things that we need to consider are software optimization, battery optimization, and stuff like that. So I had to give this to the J4 Plus. So that's it, guys. So if you want to watch the unboxing and the gaming test of this phone, you can click it right here. Right here. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.